Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be making a no-bake Jello pumpkin pie. Come on with me, guys. Now, I did not realize because I didn't read the box. I just thought it was the no-bake stuff that you can go ahead and put it together and then pour it into the pie shell. Well, you don't need to buy one because both packages come inside this box, so you don't need anything else. Now, I could have used the heavy cream. I didn't think about that right away because I had almond milk, so I am using almond milk for the mix. And I am going to go ahead and use regular sugar because this pie is mostly for my son, so I don't have to worry about replacing the sugar. So let's get started, guys. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, Quick and Easy Meals is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I also have this channel right here, Simply Grace Lifestyle. Then we have Debbie Bubbles, and we also have Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now, this Sunday is a special edition, and it's all things pumpkin. So you can go crazy making your favorite pumpkin recipes, guys, but we are doing a no-bake today. Now, I am definitely for something quick and something easy, and I am kind of liking this pumpkin recipe here. And let's just get started. I'm going to leave you to some music, and I'm going to show you what everything looks like at the end. Now, you will see me quite a bit of times, picking up that box and looking at the what I need as, for recipe, because a lot of times I do replace stuff. So if it requires milk, I'll add cream. If it requires oil, I'll add butter. So it's just habit, guys. I just always read the box. Now, pumpkin anything is not really a flavor that I particularly like, but my son does like pumpkin, and I am going to have a small little piece of it, but let's just see. I mainly just want to see how this box turns out because I want you guys to see what the result is so you could do less work in the kitchen. So I opened the package of what the crust is going to be, and all it needed was like, I think 2 tablespoons of sugar and some butter. That was like easy enough. I mixed that around and we went ahead and just, I didn't even form it or anything. I just kind of put it right there in the pan and kind of pushed it down with the spoon, and then we moved on to the mix. So not sure why I said we when it's just me. So I have to say this, that it really didn't take very long for the whole area to smell like pumpkin. So right off the bat, I'm going to tell you, I am loving this box. It's totally worth the money. Now it did start to get thick right away, so this mixture is definitely, I am just loving it, guys, and it's no bake. Now remember that once you mix everything up and you put it inside the pan, you shape it any way that you want. That's how it stays too. And you stick it in the refrigerator so it can get nice and cold and it's ready to slice. I cannot wait to try this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the refrigerator, cut myself a little piece and taste it. Oh my goodness, this tastes absolutely amazing. I would definitely make multiples of these for the holidays, depending on how many people, or even just to give away. Guys, it's amazing. Here we are at the reveal. So I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.